Hey guys, so I signed up for PlayPosit, and this is the opening page when you search it. And it's essentially an interactive video where you can include, it says at the bottom, so where you can include different videos, different pictures, and here we go. It's interactive to where you get updates when your students post something, and it's vice versa. Here it shows all the things you can integrate. So you can do just links to PBS, YouTube, and videos. Same over here, works with Canvas, Blackboard, all that good stuff. Um, so yeah, it kind of gives, this right here gives a basic rundown of it. You can give your information as a teacher to receive more helpful information and speak with somebody that maybe understands it better and can help you with that. And then I actually found a tutorial on YouTube that really helped me better understand just essentially how to use all of this. Towards the end, it shows, so you add class, you can add your student's first name and connect them to it and have different classroom topics that you can include. And towards the end, so it just shows grades for your for the teachers. They can show uh, their grades and just average score, so you can kind of get feedback on yourself at the end of it. And let's see. Yeah, so I thought it was really cool. You can add different pictures and videos into your presentation. So it's kind of like it is an interactive presentation. And just assign something for maybe your students can do at home, and you can grade this assignment outside of the classroom. One of my favorite things as a student is when there's interaction with, right here, a multiple choice question. And I like that, so I can know if I'm understanding what's going on in the video and just receive a grade off of that, rather than maybe at the end writing um, like a summary and trying to wrap a video into one paragraph. So yeah, I love when they have little tests here and there, or I've had one where it had different puzzles that they would test you, or that you could complete in between, and that was part of your grade as well. So yeah, this is PlayPosit.